Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Alrighty, we're trying to get over to Moody Town Road to catch this monster northbound. Over 700 axles. He's already cleared Jacktown. But I had so much trouble with the weather and everybody driving 2 miles an hour. So hopefully we'll be able to catch him. He's a big one. calling B636, but that's a combination of two different empty ethanol trains. That was awesome, and I won't have to wash the inside of Train Tracker 2000 for a while, that's for sure. Alrighty, if the weather will cooperate any at all, we'll see what else we can catch today. Okie doke, the rain has let up a little bit here, and just found a little treasure. I stuck my hand in my pocket of my shorts and a little dollar bill underneath there. Yeah. But we're at Moody Town Road again, and we're waiting on southbound M653. Talk about clothes. I stopped at the filling station down here, and this little boy was there with his mom, and I'm in line, and he turned around and looked at me and says, "Why you got them on?" And I said, "I'm sorry, son, I didn't understand what you said." And he said, "Why you got them on?" And I looked at his mom, I said, "I'm not sure what he's saying." And she said, "He's saying, why you got them on," and pointed at my feet. Yeah, I realize it's pouring the rain outside. Well, it's not now, but it was then. And I've got Crocs and socks on. Yeah. Well, let me tell you a funny story real quick while we're waiting on this train. You know, I'm all about funny, upbeat. You know, I don't like ugly and all that kind of stuff. I wear shorts and t-shirt all year long. I don't care if it's snowing, if it's 2 degrees outside. I wear shorts and t-shirts. I can't stand the heat. And well, my wife had bought me some new underwear. So I had these underwear on, and come to find out they were seconds and they hadn't been marked. But anyway, they were just sewn in wrong or something. I don't know. They didn't fit well at all. So I rushed back home, changed underwear, got back in the Train Tracker 2000. And if you know anything about Marion, the area I live in, I went out to J&T's junkyard out in PG. Went out into the yard, picked up some stuff. They let me go into the yard because I was with the fire department. Picked up some stuff, came out to the end of the road there to the filling station, picked up some wings, something to drink. Come back into town, got on the bypass, went up to the State Employees Credit Union, got in line there at the credit union, waited my time to get up to the window, leaned over to reach back and grab my wallet. I didn't have my shorts on. Changed my underwear, put new underwear on, didn't put my shorts back on. So I went to the junkyard, to the convenience store, with a t-shirt and my underwear on. Nobody said a word to me. I don't know if it's good or bad, but I hope you find that as funny as I found it. The day it happened wasn't too funny, but now that I look back on it, it's pretty funny. All right, let's hold on and see if we can catch this southbound M653. about the weird transition. I was going to try to follow the locomotives by, but realized I had the door open here on the truck and hit my arm on the truck. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. That's our video for today. The sun's starting to come out, so I'm going to put on my dry weather Crocs, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.